Welcome back, future pilots. Today, we're exploring the best beginner drones of 2025, a curated list of drones perfect for those just starting their journey into the skies. These drones combine ease of use, top-notch features, and incredible value, making them ideal for newcomers. Let's get started. DJI Mini 4 Pro. First up is the DJI Mini 4 Pro, an excellent drone designed with beginners in mind. Weighing under 0.549 pounds, 249 grams, this ultra-lightweight drone complies with most global regulations, ensuring you can fly hassle-free. The Mini 4 Pro features a high-quality 4K camera, delivering stunning visuals and smooth footage. With a 34-minute flight time, you'll have ample opportunity to practice and capture amazing moments. Its 20-kilometer maximum video transmission distance ensures a strong and reliable connection, even at great distances. One of its standout features is omnidirectional vision sensing, offering advanced obstacle detection for safer and more confident flying. Whether you're exploring photography or honing your piloting skills, the DJI Mini 4 Pro is the perfect drone to elevate your experience. Holy Stone HS440. Next up is the Holy Stone HS440, foldable FPV drone, a versatile and beginner-friendly option for adults and kids alike. This drone features a 1080p Wi-Fi camera that delivers crisp and smooth footage, perfect for capturing your aerial adventures. Its foldable design and included carrying case make it highly portable and convenient for on-the-go use. One of the standout features of the HS440 is its voice and gesture control, allowing for hands-free operation and intuitive flying. The modular battery offers an extended flight time, ensuring you have ample opportunity to practice and enjoy. With auto hover functionality, even complete beginners can achieve stable flights effortlessly. Whether you're learning the ropes or simply enjoying the fun of flying, the Holy Stone HS440 combines ease of use, smart features, and great value, making it a fantastic choice for first-time drone pilots. Ruko F11 Mini. Next on our list is the Ruko F11 Mini drone, a foldable and lightweight option that's perfect for beginners and adults alike. Weighing under 250 grams, this drone is not only portable but also compliant with most drone regulations, ensuring a hassle-free flying experience. Equipped with a high-resolution 4K camera, the F11 Mini captures stunning aerial photos and videos, making it an excellent choice for content creators and hobbyists. The drone boasts an impressive 60-minute flight time, powered by two long-lasting modular batteries, giving you plenty of time to practice and explore. With 5 GHz transmission for smooth FPV streaming and GPS auto-return for safety, this drone is both advanced and user-friendly. The brushless motors enhance performance and durability, ensuring stable flights even in windy conditions. Whether you're a first-time flyer or upgrading your gear, the Ruko F11 Mini delivers professional features in a beginner-friendly package. Saien. Next on our list is the Saien Drone for kids 8 to 12, a fantastic beginner-friendly drone designed for kids and adults who want to explore the skies with ease. This mini drone features a 1080p camera, allowing you to capture clear aerial photos and videos. Its Wi-Fi-enabled FPV capabilities let you stream real-time footage directly to your smartphone for an immersive flying experience. Equipped with 2 rechargeable batteries, the Saien drone provides extended flight time, ensuring endless fun. Its gesture photo feature adds a creative touch, letting you capture pictures with simple hand movements. With 3 speed modes and 3D flip functionality, this drone delivers excitement for flyers of all skill levels. The altitude hold function ensures stability during flights, making it ideal for beginners to learn and practice control. Compact, durable, and easy to use, the Saien drone is a great choice for kids, teens, and even adults looking for a fun and reliable flying experience. Potensic Atom. Finally, we have the Potensic Atom 4K GPS drone, a lightweight yet feature-packed option for adults and beginners. Weighing under 249 grams, this drone is not only portable but also meets global drone regulations, ensuring hassle-free operation wherever you go. The Potensic Atom is equipped with a 4K 30 FPS camera and a 3-axis gimbal, delivering stunningly smooth and high-quality footage. With up to 96 minutes of flight time provided by the Fly More combo, multiple batteries, you'll have plenty of time to explore and capture breathtaking moments. The drone's 6-kilometer maximum transmission range ensures reliable connectivity and real-time video streaming over long distances. Advanced features like GPS-assisted visual tracking and quick shots simplify capturing cinematic videos, even for first-time users. Its user-friendly controls and durable design make the Potensic Atom 4K GPS drone an excellent choice for beginners looking to combine ease of use with professional-grade features. And there you have it, the best beginner drones of 2025. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell for more drone reviews, tips, and tech inspiration. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.